Addition of fractions. Addition of like fractions. To add two or more like fractions, add all the numerators and put the sum over the same denominator. Add 5 by 15 plus 4 by 15 plus 3 by 15. 5 plus 4 plus 3 by 15 is equal to 12 by 15. Addition of unlike fractions. When you want to add unlike fractions, first change them to like fractions and then add. Add 2 by 4 plus 5 by 6. Let's add. Step 1. Least common multiple LCM of the denominators. 4, 6 is equal to 12. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Step 2. Change both the denominators to the LCM, that is 12. To do this, multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number to attain 12 as the denominator. 2 by 4 into 3 by 3 is equal to 6 by 12. And 5 by 6 into 2 by 2 is equal to 10 by 12. Step 3. Now add the numerators, keeping the denominators same. Therefore, 2 by 4 plus 5 by 6 is equal to 6 by 12 plus 10 by 12 is equal to 16 by 12. Addition of mixed fractions. 5 1 by 6 plus 3 1 by 3. Step 1. Change both mixed fractions to improper fractions. 5 1 by 6. 5 into 6 plus 1 by 6 is equal to 30 plus 1 by 6 is equal to 31 by 6. 3 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 9 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 10 by 3. Step 2. Add the fractions after finding the LCM of denominators and changing them to like fractions. LCM of 3 and 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. LCM is equal to 2 into 3. LCM is equal to 6. (31 by 6 into 1 by 1 is equal to 31 by 6. 10 by 3 into 2 by 2 is equal to 20 by 6. Therefore, 31 by 6 plus 20 by 6 is equal to 51 by 6. Step 3. If the final answer is an improper fraction, change it to a mixed fraction by dividing the numerator by the denominator to find the number of wholes and parts in the improper fraction. 51 divided by 6 gives 8 as the quotient and 3 as the remainder. Place the quotient as the whole number. Place the remainder as the numerator. Denominator remains the same as in the improper fraction. So, 51 divided by 6 is equal to 8 3 by 6. Hence, 8 3 by 6 is the final answer. Let us recall. To add two or more like fractions, add all the numerators and put the sum over the same denominator. When you want to add unlike fractions, first change them to like fractions and then add. To add two or more mixed fractions, change both mixed fractions to improper fractions and add the improper fractions.